How can I change the language of Naruto on Hulu?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of changing the language of a show on Hulu, using the popular anime, Naruto, as an example. Changing the language setting will allow you to enjoy Naruto in your preferred language. Let's get started.
Accessing your Hulu account.
To change the language of Naruto or any other show, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hulu account. 1. Open your web browser or the Hulu app. 2. Enter your account credentials to log in.
Finding Naruto.
Next, let's find the show. 1. Click on the search icon, usually a magnifying glass located at the top of the interface. 2. Type Naruto into the search bar and press enter. 3. Click on the Naruto title that appears in the search results.
Changing the language.
Now that we've found Naruto, we can change the language. 1. Select the episode you want to watch. 2. Once the episode begins, look for the settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. 3. Click on the settings icon and find the audio section. 4. You should see a list of available languages for the show. Select your preferred language from the list. 5. If you also wish to change the subtitles, go to the subtitles section and select the desired language. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the language of Naruto on Hulu. Enjoy watching the show in your preferred language. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy watching!